Hello, this is part 2 of creating a course under the course practice area. So far, we have added a lesson and a folder as a resource. Next, we are going to add a URL. So click on Add an Activity or Resource, scroll down to Resources section, click on URL, Add, right. Name of the resource. This is recipe for chicken tikka. Okay, I have created a presentation on how to prepare chicken tikka on slide speech, and I will just share it. So I guess I will select the link, add the link, add some description, recipe for chicken tikka from New Delhi, India. Alright, display description on course page, yes. Appearance, let it remain to default, and just save and return to course. Next is add an activity or resource. So I would like to finally add another activity, that is quiz, to grade and assess the understanding of the students in the course. Name of the course: Understanding Indian Food. Description: please timing. Okay, I want time limit, let's suppose 60 minutes. When time expires, attempts must be submitted before time expires, or they are not counted, or maybe open attempts are submitted automatically. It's a better option. Grade, let it remain to default. Layout: every question should appear on a new page. Question behavior. This is the most interesting part. Shuffle within questions, yes. How questions behave. Deferred feedback, that means the feedback is given at the end of attempting all the questions in the quiz. Immediate feedback, that is the feedback is given after every question attempted. Interactive with multiple tries. This is the most appropriate one because this helps the students to attempt a question multiple times before they come to the right one. And review options, let this all remain to default. Appearance, extra restrictions on attempts. Alright, so enforced delay between first and second attempts, enable at least 10 minutes. So that they read the lessons and other resources before they attempt it again. Alright, under the grade category, we have attempts allowed. So number of attempts that you want to allow. I want only 2 attempts to be allowed, not more than that. And grading method is highest grade, that is out of the 2 attempts, whichever is the highest that they achieve should be used for grading. And save and return to course. Now that the quiz has been added, we can add questions into it. This is just the template of how the quiz is going to respond. Let's click on this. No questions have been added yet, so edit quiz. Here it says maximum grade is 10, that's alright. Shuffle, yes. Add a new question. That question can be multiple choice. maybe. Category default for understanding Indian food. Question name eating habits. Let's say the first question is this. Default mark. Is it 2 marks? 1 or multiple answers, 1 answer only. Shuffle the choices, yes. Number the choices as A, B, C, or you can decide amongst the choices. Choice 1. None of the above. Grade none. Feedback wrong. Choice 2. Some of the above. Grade none. Wrong answer. Choice 3. All of the above. Grade 100%. Feedback correct. Combined feedback. Your answer is correct. And this is the default, so let it be and save changes. So here it is. The first question has been added. We can add more questions by clicking on add a new question. Multiple choice. Default for understanding Indian food. Question name food. Question text. This is again for 2 marks. 1 answer only. Shuffle choices, yes. First is north. This is 100% correct. Save changes. Here it is. Page 2, question number 2 has been added. Similarly, we can add more questions. Let's say drag and drop into text. Food. If you click on the question mark here, it displays the explanation for writing the question into this type of question. I have a question. Dash is a part of South Indian cuisine. Okay, and this is again for 2 marks. Next, shuffle, yes. Answer 1. Dosa. Dosa. Choice 2 is the wrong choice that you want to appear. Let's say rasgulla. And 1 more choice would be pickle. Save changes. So we have 3 questions and another one. True and false. Food. Correct answer is true. Response, well done. Feedback for response, false. Save changes. Add 1 more question because this is for 10 marks, and I will have another true and false maybe. And save changes. So here we have 5 questions on 5 different pages, and they will be shuffled, and the maximum grade is 10. Total of marks is also 10, which is correct. Now let us just return to India. So right here we have the lesson, links for reference as in resources, then again a resource and a quiz activity. Let us suppose I turn editing off. So here it is. We'll check out the lesson first. Lesson, this is the first page. You will not see the progress bar because you can edit this lesson because I have the rights, manager rights, maybe that's the reason. So let's say next is North India, next South Indian, next East Indian food, next West Indian food, and this is the end of the lesson, which will take us to the question page. Tandoori bread is predominantly a part of North Indian platter. True or false? True. Submit. Your answer true. Well done. Continue. Indian food makes a generous use of spices. True. Submit. Continue. Congratulations. End of lesson reached. And display of grade, it's only for students. Alright, so just let's return to the course again. Links for reference. This is the folder and we can download this folder. When you click on download folder, it starts downloading as a zip file which can be unzipped and the document can be used for links. Next is recipe for chicken tikka. So let's click on this link. It shows me the link. Right here it is. This slide speech opens up. Let's return back. Understanding Indian food, that is the quiz we have. Attempts allowed 2, time limit 1 hour. Grading method, highest grade. Preview quiz now. Okay. Dash is a part of South Indian cuisine. That's dosa. Check. Correct. Next page. Bengali food is well known for fish curry. True. Check. If you notice on the left hand side, it is showing you the quiz navigation. That is the name of the student who is attempting the quiz and the questions you have attempted so far. Time left. Next page. Butter chicken is part of Delhi platter. True. Check. Hey. Next page. 5 elements that are stimulated while eating with hands include space, air, water, fire, and earth. Let's say some of the above. Check. Wrong. The correct answer is all of the above. Next. Correct. Finish attempt. So this is the summary and submit all and finish. So my grade is 8 out of 10 and I have taken 2 minutes 47 seconds. This is the best form of analysis that can be done, I guess. Return to India. So this is it. This is the course that I have designed. Thank you very much.